Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. In the earlier lectures, we have covered the topic of chapter number 2, which is counting in groups. Then there are some exercise which we have covered from the workbook as well. Today, in this lecture, we will cover the concept of more or less. More matlab zyada, less matlab kam, and we have to guess. Okay, we have already learned the greater than and less than number in first standard, right? So we are going to use this. Look at this. Ring the correct answer. It is the activity on the page number 11 in your textbook. First number of teeth in your mouth. Most probably an adult person having 32 teeth in their mouth. So we can say that which is less than 40. वो 40 से कम है. We have to compare the 40 and 32. Which number is big? 40 is big and 32 is less. So we have to compare this. 32 is less than 40. Next number of seeds in an orange. More than 50, less than 50. 50 से ज़्यादा या 50 से कम? Definitely it is less than 50. Number of matchstick in a matchbox, which is definitely more than 30. 30 से ज़्यादा ही होते हैं, 30 से कम नहीं होता है. Next question, number of pencils in your class. So most probably in our class we are having the strength around 30 to 40. Okay, right now we are having 41 strength, right? So 41 is more than 45 or less than 45? It is less than 45. It depends the strength of the class, right? Next number of spokes in a one cycle wheel. See, ऐसे सरिये जैसे दिखता है. This is called the spikes, and in plural we can say it. These are spokes of the wheel. So in one wheel we will find out more than 20 spokes. Turn your page number 12. Where you will find out one homework activity. First, hope till you drop. मतलब आपको hope मतलब jump लगाने हैं. Till you drop. अब जब तक गिर जाओ नहीं तब तक jump लगाने हैं. But how? How many times can you hop on your right foot without falling? So here is the person standing on his right foot only and he is jumping with one leg. How many times? Okay, so that activity you will do it yourself and count the number and write down the answer. Second number question, how many times can you hop on your left foot without falling? Again dekho, if this person is standing on his left foot and he is jumping, till count the number of jumps and write down here. So this activity you will do it at your home. Next, join the dots. Jogo doggy is hungry. Join the dots in order from 21 to 52 and find out what is hidden from him to it. After joining the number from 21 to 52, I got the picture of a ball which he loves very much. On the next page, page number 13, where you will find out another activity, Naughty Guru. Guru has torn some page of this book. See, can you see that? He torn some of the page and these page are with the serial numbers. Can you observe that? Yes. So write the page number in the correct order. See, it is the activity in which you have to arrange the number in a order, or you have to arrange the pages in a order. See, the one number has given 48 is given. So before 48, you will which number will come? 47. So this page is 47, and after 48, 49. Then afterward 50, 51, 52 and 53. So this way you will write down in your textbook. Now turn your page number 16, where you will find out the exercise number 3, which is say more or less, count and put tick for the correct answer given box. One has been done as an example. Here the things are given, you have to count it. 3, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, which is more than 11. Okay. So here second number example. Here is a flowers. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is less than 10. Again, next, count this stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is less than 20, not more than 20. Now here you have to count 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34, which is more than 30. Now count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31, which is less than 40. Next is a seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is less than 10. Next is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 is more than 20. Last two things you can do it yourself. Yes, of course, just count it and find out which is more than 30 and less than 30. I think I will do it for you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Less than 30. And here you will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, which is more than 40. Now, our next exercise is number 4. Say more or less, count in group and put tick for the correct answer in the given box. One has been done. Here, what you have to do, first of all, you have to count the objects in a group, and then you have to take which has more than or less than. Okay. So, first of all, look at here. Here is a 2, 4, 6 and 8. 8 which is less than 10. Here is 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So which is less than Look at here, you can find out there are 2 marbles in a group. So you will count it easily. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is more than 10. Now here, 2, 4, 6, 8. You have to practice count this way. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, which is more than 20. Now look at, there are some chocolates. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which is less than 20. Now here, next example, there are some ice cream cones. Everyone likes ice cream cone, na? In this hot summer. So we will count it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24, which is less than 25. Look at the page number 18, where you will find out the question number 5. Draw the object in the empty box and complete the group as asked. So our first number exercise is 10 balls by group of 2. Can you observe that in each and every group you are going to find out 2 balls, right? So you have to make 10. To complete 10, we need 2 more balls in a group. Now we will count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next, 10 trees by group of 2. So here you will find out the 3 groups of 2 trees. Fine. The last 2 groups are empty. So what will you do? You will make 2 tree in one group C. Here, this is the way of making tree. Make 2 opposite C and complete the circle, half circle. Okay, so this is a tree. Count 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Next, 10 balloons by group of 2. Can you observe that some groups are empty without balloons? So you will fill it with and make group of 2 balloons. That's super easy. This way. Next, 10 star by group of 2. So what will you do? You will fill the boxes with a group of 2 star. Here 1 star is missing. Here is also 1 star missing. Here 2 stars are missing. And here 1 star is missing. Now we will count 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. You can make star the way you are, okay, the way, whatever the way you want to make, okay. Now next is 20 apples by group of 2. Here we have to make complete 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So क्या करेंगे? Opposite C बना देंगे. एक C ऐसे, एक C ऐसे. हो गए 2 एप्पल. 1 C, another C. Now you will find out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Complete 20 apples in group of 2 groups. Now next is 20 square by group of 2. 2, 4, 6. So here we will make square in a group of 2, 2, right? Okay, so I have completed that. Somewhere you will find out only one square, so you have to draw only one. Okay, so total you will find out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So basically these are the squares, 20 squares in a group of 2, 2. What is the purpose of this exercise? The purpose of this exercise is to count orally 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. It's a practice purpose. Fine. Now 30 triangles by group of 2, 2. Here is you have to make group of 2, 2 and in each group you have to draw 2 triangles. 1, 2. See here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, here is 1. You have to draw only 1 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. So this way you will practice for counting. On the next page we will get the similar kind of exercise that we have already done in the textbook. Answer the following question as per instruction. So, our question number 1 is, how many glasses are there? Can you see that the person who is counting the glasses? Fine. So, here in one group you will find out the 3 glass and this way you will get the 4 groups. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to blank. Here we can do the subtraction by using the grouping method. 3 plus 3. Keep in your mind 3 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is there. Now this will be add in the next 3. So keep the 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8 and 9. And after 9, in 9 you will add next 3. So 9 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So after 12 there is no number to add, so your answer is 12. Look at here, the lady is selling some bangles and in each pair you will find out 5 bangles and total there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bangles. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so here we are going to add the numbers by grouping method. 5 plus 5, 10. See, keep the 5 in your mind and 5 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 will be added to the next 5. So 10 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in your mind, 5 in your finger. Now after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So Your answer is 25, and after 25 you will not get any of the number to add. Now these are some pairs of earrings. Our third number question, how many earrings are this? These are group of 2, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So here there are 24 earrings. And how many pairs of earrings are this? These are 12 pair of earrings. And how many earrings are there in each pair? There are 2 earrings in each pair. Next, number 6 question. How many spoons are there? कितनी spoons है? Can you find out? There are 4 spoons in a group, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 fours are 24. So total there are 24 spoons. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. See, as I told you, there are 24 spoons in a pair. How many groups of spoons are there? How many groups of 4 spoons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 spoons, 6 groups. Okay. Now, how many spoons are there in each group? We will find out. There are 4 spoons in a group. Okay. 4 6 are 24. So here we are using the table of 4 6 are 24. Turn your page number 20, where you will find out one more activity. Join in ascending or descending order. Fine. Ascending or descending. Here is a dog, and dogs loves to eat bone. So we will go in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Complete it properly, trace it properly, as I have a phone in my hand, one hand, and I'm doing it with the second hand, so I cannot do it properly. 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. Can you get the figure of a bone? Right? But trace it properly. Same here. Here there are some numbers. From this number you will start from the number 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71, 72, 4, 75, 76, 77, 78, 68, 86, 87, 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay. Here in this picture 27 is there. We are going in a ascending order. 28, 28, 29, 30. See, I'm going to show you again. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. Okay, so this way you can join. So we while we are joining the dots, we go through an ascending order. हम कौन से ऑर्डर में गए? ascending order. descending order मतलब बड़े से छोटे तक जाना. For like here, यहाँ पर हम पहुँचे लास्ट में 37, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31 and 30. This way 30, then 29 and 28 and 27. This way we go through in a descending order. So this is it for this session. Next time we will do some more activity in the textbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.